Well, good day, folks. Bachelor for Life is back again here. Got something a little different today. I just bought these thumb studs off of Amazon, the EDCfans 3-pack. Already kind of opened them to make sure all three were in there. It came with a black, a gold, or brass colored, and then a silver. So recently I've picked up some knives off of eBay, and thumb studs were either broken or missing. In this case, missing. In this case, missing half. And I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put these bad boys on and see how well they work. The first one here I've got is the SOG, which I haven't done a full review on it, just the unboxing review, but this is a nice little flipper. I'm enjoying the flipping portion of it, but it's supposed to have a thumb stud, so I figured I'd install one of these guys on there and see how it plays out. They were fairly cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks for all three. Can't really tell what they're made of. Pretty much everything online says, you know, titanium this, titanium that. Well, I doubt it's titanium, but let's see how she goes here. Due to an unfortunate copyright claim, you will hear my soothing voice while I quickly place this thumb stud, drop and finagle until completion. Not too shabby. It's kind of cool. Looks a little odd because you can still see the hole, but may not be aesthetically pleasing, but it's functional. And again, my soothing voice to keep you company while I speed through placing and installing the thumb stud. I'm screwing it. Now I'm checking it out over and over and over again. Now I'm placing it. And now tightening it down. We're almost there. Speeding through. They're about the same thickness. And if you kind of look at how they're setting in there, there's not a huge gap where that set screw then sets in on it. And now we have a functional SOG. It's not pretty, but it, like I said, it's functional. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Bachelor for Life out.